Now we continue our problems, that same manufacturing problems. In last session, up to fifth problem, exercise 12.2 up to fifth problem we discussed. Now, exercise 12.2, sixth problem we see here. A cottage industry manufactures pedestal lamps, one type of lamps, and shades, wooden shades. Pedestal lamps and wooden shade, two types they are making here, requiring the using the two machines. One is grinding or cutting machine, and sprayer machine, one type of spraying purpose they'll use another machine. Grinding or cutting machine and one more sprayer they are using to manufacture the two types of items here, pedestal lamps and wooden shades. So it take here, next continuation, it takes 2 hours grinding or cutting machine and 3 hours on sprayer to manufacture a pedestal lamp. Lamp purpose 2 hours grinding machine, 3 hours sprayer machine need, and 1 hour on grinding machine and 2 hours on sprayer machine to manufacture a shades. 1 hour grinding and 2 hours sprayer machine need. On any day, the sprayer availability they given at most 20 hours. Sprayer work at most 20. At most means that is only highest value, 20 hours. And grinding or cutting for at most 12 hours. The profit of the sale of lamp is 5 rupees. 5 rupees on lamps selling profit, and shade selling profit is 3 rupees. So similar problem this one, maximize the profit. How many, for maximize profit purpose, how many you have to sell the pedestal lamps and how many number of shades? So X and Y is asking. So that purpose here, this total data convert into first of all table. Already we discussed lot of problems. So I'll write here types. First of all types. Number of items. Here items is the number of items. Next one, two machines is there here. Grinding or cutting. Grinding or cutting purpose. One machine. Next one, sprayer. And next one, what they given? Profit they given. Profit. So these five main content in this one. 5 headings I wrote here. So now types. Draw the table properly. Types. 2 types of items is there here. What are the 2 types of items here? Pedestal lamps and wooden shades. Just I am writing lamps and shades. Lamps and shades. Number will write later. Next, 2 hours for grinding machine, 3 hours for sprayer machine to manufacture a pedestal lamps. Lamps purpose 2 hours here, 3 hours here. One pedestal lamp purpose they are giving here. Next, 1 hour on grinding, 2 hours on sprayer for shades. Next, profit also they given here. Profit I'll write first of all. What is the profit? Profit of the lamp is 5 rupees, 3 rupees on shades. Next, and availability of machines they given. Availability of machines is here. 1 day sprayer machine available 20 hours. At most is there. So that's why less than or equal to I am taking here. Next one, grinding. Here you observe first they given sprayer, next they given grinding machine. So that one carefully you have to write here. Number 12 hours here. At most is there. At most means that is the highest value. You can take lesser also, no problem. And total number of profit. Total profit we have to find. Before that one, this is one item purpose. This one. I'll take lamps is X, shades is Y. So here multiply with X, multiply with X, multiply with X. Next, y shades. So multiply with y. The total profit is 5x plus 3y. The profit should be maximum. Profit should be maximum. So that purpose here, LPP I'll write maximize. Maximize Z equal to 5x plus 3y. Subject to constraints here. These two are the subject to constraints. 2x plus y is less than or equal to 12. Next one, 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 20. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Number of items compulsory positive number. That purpose I am taking non-negative constraints. So this is the one LPP. Maximize Z. Subject to constraints, they given two constraints. So this one, after this one, what will make? Graph will make. Conversion, scale, 5 points is there. That continuation will write. Maximum value will get, maximum profit. Where maximum profit getting one particular point. So 4, 5 we are getting. 4 is the lamps, 5 is the shades to maximize the profit. Like that you have to write finally. So take graph as a homework here. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 7 in 12.2. A company manufactures two types of novelty surveyors. Novelty surveyors they will make in one company. With plywood they will make. Mode of plywood. With plywood they are making two types of surveyors, that are type A and type B. Two types of surveyors. Type A requires for 5 minutes each for cutting. Here two works is cutting and assembling. 5 minutes it will take type A for cutting and 10 minutes for assembling. Type B for 8 minutes for cutting and 8 minutes for assembling. Now there are three. You observe here, question they are giving in minutes, but here condition they are giving in hours. There are 3 hours 20 minutes available for cutting and 4 hours assembling. 4 hours for assembling. The profit is 5 rupees each on type A, 6 rupees each on type B. Surveyors. How many surveyors you have to make to maximize company profit? Maximize company profit. Same to same problem. This is also manufacturing problem only. So first of all, I'll write here types. Types, number of items. Next here, two works is there. What are that works? One is cutting, one is assembling. Cutting in minutes. I am taking in minutes. And assembling. Assembling in minutes. And the profit they given, profit. So now you draw the table for this one. Here two types is there. The two types are here A and B. Type A, type B. 5 minutes. Type A requires 5 minutes cutting and 10 minutes assembling. 8 minutes cutting, 8 minutes assembling, type B. And the profit I'll take. First of all, profit is 5 rupees on type A, 6 rupees on type B. Next here, number of items I'll write. Number of items I am taking X and Y. So multiply with X, all places, multiply with Y. The total profit is, here I'll write little bit the big box. Why? Because total profit is Z equal to 5x plus 6y. I'll take the here availability. 3 hours 20 minutes available. Available means that is only highest. You can take lesser, 2 hours you can work, but 3 hours 20 minutes, more than 3 hours 20 minutes we can't work here. So less than or equal to 3 hours 20 minutes. less than or equal to 4 hours. So now this total in minutes they given. So this one also convert into minutes. 3 into 60 plus 20, that is 18, 180. 180 plus 20 is 200 you will get. Next one, here 4 hours is there. 4 into 60 minutes. Hours convert into minutes. This is also 240 you will get. 240. So now LPP how to write? Maximize profit. Maximize Z equal to total profit is 5x plus 6y. 5x plus 6y. Next, subject to constraints. Subject to constraints. Conditions. 5x plus 8y is less than or equal to 200. Next one. 10x plus 8y is less than or equal to 240. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Non-negative constraints. Here you observe, here there is no common in first constraint. Second constraint we can take the common 2. 2 if you are taking common, 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 120 also we can take that one. 2 table it will cancel. So that's why you can, easy purpose you can make, otherwise you can continue with this only. So now next graph will make that one. Graph take as a homework. So pause the video to note it down. Now, problem number 8 in exercise 12.2, same to same manufacturing problem only. In this exercise, we have lot of manufacturing problems only. Very less diet problems. We discussed, I think, 3 diet problems we discussed previously. So now this is also one of the manufacturing problem. 8 problem you can read here. A merchant plans to sell 2 types of personal computers. 2 types of personal computers is there: desktop model and portable model. Two types of computer, different types of personal computers is there. We have only 2 types. One is desktop computers and one more is portable model computer. It will take cost 25,000. Desktop computer is 25,000 and portable computer is 40,000. 40,000 respectively they given. He estimate that total monthly demand of computers will not exceed 250 units. Will not exceed means it won't cross the 250. Highest value you can assume highestly have the demand 250. Not exceeds the 250 means less than 250 also you will get, or equal to 250 also you will get. Determine the number of units each type of computer which the merchant should stock to get the maximum profit. Profit should be maximum. If he does not want to invest, invest more than 70 lakhs, does not invest more than 70 lakhs. He having only 70 lakhs to investment purpose, and the profit of each desktop model is 4,500 and portable model is 5,000. So what is the maximum profit? To get maximum profit, how many number of desktop model, how many number of portable model you have to sell? That is a question here. So that purpose here, first of all I will draw the table. Types, number of items or number of computers also you can write. The cost of each computer and the profit, just this one only there. Here are 2 types of machines, 3 types of machines, nothing is there here. So now continuation. This problem is one different type of problem, this one. So concentrate and listen. Desktop model and portable model. Number of items we will write directly here, X and Y. We don't know X and Y. The cost, the cost of each item is taking 25,000 for desktop, 40,000. Cost means he is buying first of all. 25,000 is buying for one desktop computer. Again he will sell with more 5,000, 4,500 he will add for this one. 29,500 he will sell that one. His cost, investment, this one, his cost is nothing but investment. And the profit is here 4,500 and 5,000 is the profit. One piece purpose this one. So x pieces is there. So multiply with x, here y, here multiply with y. Here constraints writing is very, very important. The profit, this one total profit 4,500 x plus 5,000 y. Next, here less than or equal to, here also less than or equal to. Here number of items is less than or equal to. Why? Because he is telling not exceeds 250 units of items. Not exceeds. Computer will not exceeds 250. The sum of the two computers is not exceeds 250. The investment compulsory less than or equal to 70 lakhs. So this is a 70 lakhs, less than or equal to 70 lakhs. Now you have to write the maximized Z. Maximized Z equal to 4,500 x plus 5,000 y. That is a maximized Z. And subject to constraints, x plus y is less than or equal to 250. There is no common. Next year, 25,000 x plus 40,000 y is less than or equal to 70 lakhs. 70 lakhs. Here you can observe here 3 zeros, here 3 zeros cancel we can make. And now in this one we can take common 5. 5 if we are common taking 5x plus 8y. 8y is less than or equal to 7,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So subject to constraint it will become less than or equal to 1400. X is greater than or equal 0, y is greater than or equal 0. Non-negative constraints. So graph you can take is the homework. Here understood now this one just simplification. Very lengthy is there. If you are taking direct graph means it will take a very lengthy numbers. So that number decreasing purpose only I am taking here simplification. Cancellation I am making and common value is 5x plus 8y is less than or equal to 1400. So do graph as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Now we continue with the problem 10. Already 9th problem previous sessions we discussed. That is a diet problem. Now this is a actually this is a allocation problem. Allocation problem means we have to allocate some values here, some number. For example, here farmer example they given. Farmer question. Farmers they'll analyze first of all how many acres is there, how much you have to keep for different types of different kinds, and how much amount keeping for fertilizing, how much amount keeping for that labors. So these are called allocation type. This is a. There are two types of fertilizers, F1 and F2. Two types of fertilizers is there. F1 consists of 10% nitrogen and 6% phosphoric acid. 6% phosphoric acid. And F2 consists of 5% nitrogen and 10% phosphoric acid. After testing the soil conditions, based upon soils will require the fertilizers, a farmer finds that she need at least is there. So this one you have to keep it in mind here. At least 14 kgs of nitrogen and 14 kgs of phosphoric acid. So this is on allocation. How much need? This total called allocations for her crop. If F1 cost is 6 rupees per kg, F2 cost is 5 rupees per kg. Determine how much of each type of fertilizer should be used so that the nutrition required are met at minimum cost. Cost always you have to find the minimum here. No need the total words. Minimum cost you have to find. Maximum profit, minimum cost. So that purpose here table important. And here problem you observe here. Percentages they given. Percentages when they are giving. Percentages convert into normal numbers first of all. So you see how we will do this problem. You can see here types, number of kgs here, fertilizers number of kgs I am taking here. Next here nitrogen and phosphoric acid, and cost of the each one. Cost, these are the they given in the total data. So now draw the table. So here types is F1 fertilizer, F2 fertilizer. Number of kgs, first one I am writing X and Y. We don't know X and Y. For 1 kg purpose, how much they given? 10%. 10% is nothing but 10% here and 6% phosphoric acid. Next one 5% nitrogen, 10% phosphoric acid, and the cost is 6 rupees per kg and 5 rupees per kg. Per kg they given. Now you are taking X kgs of X, 10% of Y, of X of Y. Here X and Y, no problem. So 1% is nothing but 1 by 100. 10% is nothing but 10 by 100 X. This is nothing but 5 by 100 Y. Here 6 by 100 X. 6 by 10 by 100 Y. 10 by 100 Y. And at least 14 kgs of nitrogen and 14 kgs of phosphoric acid. 14 kgs. At least is there. At least means minimum 14. You can take 15, 16 and so on. So greater than or equal to 14. Greater than or equal to 14. Z equal to total cost is 6x plus 5y. So now what we have to find here? Minimum cost we have to find here. Therefore minimize Z. Minimize cost. Minimize cost is nothing but total cost. Z is equal to 6x plus 5y. Subject to two constraints. Subject to two constraints here. Here you have to write carefully. 10 by 100x plus 5 by 100y is greater than or equal to 14. One constraint. I'll make the simplification later. Next one here. 6 by 100x. 6 by 100x plus 10 by 100y. 10 by 100y is greater than or equal to 14. Here you have to make the simplifications here. I'll take the 10x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 1400. If you are taking LCM and send right side, it will become this one. Next, 5 take common. 5 if you are taking common, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 1400. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40 and 0. So constraint is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 280. This is the one constraint. And here if you are simplification making, 6x plus 10y is greater than or equal to 1400. If you are taking common, here common value is 2, we can take common. 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 1400. That is nothing but 700 we can write here. 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 700 and non-negative constraints x is greater than or equal 0, y is greater than or equal 0. The cages should be positive. So this is equation 1. In equation 1, in equation 2. Understanding purpose I am writing here. The two are non-negative, these are non-negative constraints. These two are linear inequalities, constraints. So graph take as a homework here. Graph take as a homework and pause the video to note it down. Now, example 7, last this type, graph type problems, this is the last problem. Example 7 I didn't explain previously. Why? Because this is also allocation problem. Allocation problem means how much you have to, here you observe x and y type crops is there. So how much we have to make the x crop, how much we have to take the y crop purpose, how much land. This is the allocation. Previous problem also we discussed the allocation problem. So example 7, this is a cooperative society of farmers has 50 acres of land, 50 hectares of land to grow the types of crops x and y. The profit of x crop x and y are the given 10,500 on x crop, 9,000 on y crop respectively. To control the weeds means insects. Generally we will discuss as a weeds. A liquid herbicide, that one chemical or fertilizer, this one has to be used for crop x and y at the rate of 20 liters. X crop purpose 20 liters, y crop purpose 10 liters. Further, no more than is nothing but not more than 800 liters we have to use this one. Less than 800. Why? Because should be used in order to protect the fish and wildlife. If we are making full chemicals or fertilizers, when rainfall is there, the drainage connected to one pond here. They given collect the drainage from his land. One pond is there. The fishes and wildlife based upon highly if we are using the herbicides, so it will die. So that purpose only limit they given 800 liters herbicide how to use. How much land should be allocated to each crop so as to maximize the total profit of the society, maximum profit purpose, how much you have to give for X crop and how much land give for Y crop. So here types, first of all, table types, number of hectares only they given, so number of hectares. Next, number of hectares also completed, and the profit here, final profit. Herbicides, they given here 10 liters of per hectare of herbicides per hectare. So now you draw the table. Crop X, crop Y. Two types is there, crop X and crop Y. Herbicides per X. Herbicides per X is 20 liters per hectare. This is 10 liter per hectare. And 1 hectare purpose 10,500 profit. Here 9,000 you will get the profit for Y crop. Next, the number of hectares we don't know. Number of hectares, X type is X hectares, Y type is Y hectares. So multiply with X here. Here also X, here Y, here Y. The restrictions here, land compulsory less than or equal to 50 hectares. Why? Because they have only 50 hectares land. So we can't take the 51 hectare. Having only 50 hectares, so less than or equal to 50 hectares. And the herbicides, not more than, no more than is nothing but less than or equal to 800 liters. Next, total profit Z is equal to 10,000 500x plus 9000y. So maximize the profit. Maximize Z profit is equal to 10,500x. 10,500x plus 9,000y. Maximize the profit here, and subject to constraints. Subject to constraints. X plus y is less than or equal to 50. 2x plus 10y is less than or equal to 800. And x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Non-negative constraints. Here we can take the common 2. 2 if we are taking common, x plus 5y is less than or equal to 800. 2 1s are 2 400s are. X plus 5y is less than or equal to 400 also we can take. This is the first one constraint, this is the second constraint. These two are non-negative constraints. Next we can take the graph, that as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Now last problem in the exercise, problem number 11. This is a multiple choice question, and this type of questions they'll ask for CET problems or JEE mains purpose. They'll ask this type of questions, multiple choice questions. No need to draw any graph here, just what they given by that one, you have to simplify the problem. Here you see the corner points of the feasible region determined by the following system of linear inequalities. No need to do the graph, they only given corner points here. Inequalities and non-negative constraints are corner points. 4 corner points are given, and z is equal to px plus qy. P comma q is greater than 0. Condition on p and q so that the maximize occurs at P and Q relation is asking. Simple problem. P and Q relation is asking. Maximum at both points 3, 4 and 0, 5 is. 2 places maximum value getting. That means if we are substituting these 2 points in this one, both are equal. Given solution. Maximum at 3, 4 and 0, 5. Therefore, maximize Z. Substitute here P into 3 plus Q into Y is 4 equal to P into 0 plus Q into 5. So 3P plus 4Q is equal to 5Q. 3P is equal to, if you are send left to right side, it will become Q. 3P is equal to Q. 3P is equal to Q is the relation between P and Q. So option is D. Q is equal to 3P. Option D. So by this problem we completed exercise 12.2. So pause the video to note it down.